Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I want to show you this awesome cigar humidor made by TISFA. This is a glass top cigar box with a hygrometer, humidifier, and divider. This is an awesome desktop cedar wood storage case. Holds about 20 to 30 cigars. Wow, check this out. So it has a glass top and hygrometer. So basically, ideally, you want to put the cigar from 65 to 75, but over here 60 to 75. That's ideal. Open it up. It has a very nice seal. You can kind of feel it. See, it doesn't just open up. You have to push a little pressure. Very tight fit. This is their humidifier with this spout. So you put distilled water, about 5 to 10 drops in here, and you just put it in here. It comes with a divider and the instruction, so you can divide it like this. You can put more expensive cigar and a cheap cigar or something like that, or you can just put a humidifier here, divide it up like this, and you can just put a cigar in here, and it fits about 20 to 30 cigars. So about the humidifier, take out the humidifier from the humidor, inject small amount of distilled water into the humidifier, and put it back to the humidifier, and then keep it for 12 hours. And you want to keep it between 65 to 75. So they include everything that you need for the humidor. So this is super nice, cedar wood. And then on the bottom, it has a felt here, so it's softer touch. And this is perfect for desktop, so you can keep it at home, office, whatever you want. And if you look over here, it has an independent elevated foot. The dimensions is 8.9 inches by 6.5 inches. Height is 2.7 inches. Humidifier is 0.7 inches, but length is 5.3 inches. Thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.